If you have a caravan or motorhome, you've probably now heard of the SavvyLevel fully integrated levelling solution. It's the only solution with a 10x zoom feature that you need to level. On the right, we have an example of SavvyLevel on titanium caravans. They're using airbags to level. You can see that solution has taken about 10 seconds. Now, on the left, you can see the ramp solution. SavvyLevel having the 10x zoom feature allows you to know exactly which wheel needs to be ramped. So either yourself, the driver, or the passenger will get out and ramp the wheel that SavvyLevel shows. Ramp the wheel and simply drive forward up that ramp until SavvyLevel shows you your zero. Here's an example in real life for the ramp solution. Remembering you saw the solution for the airbag system at the start of this video. So in this example, SavvyLevel has showed that the right wheel is down. Simply ramp the wheel that's down and drive forward until SavvyLevel says zero. On the left, it showed that the left wheel was down for the real life solution. Do the same for the north-south and your level. Now SavvyLevel also has hitch height feature. It has so many other features, it's not just a leveller. So when you're looking to level your caravan or motorhome, don't go past the SavvyLevel, levelling fully integrated, lightweight, comparatively low cost solution for all RV systems. Standard in some high-end vans already. SavvyLevel.store TRC technology.